Today's a special one. I've got my hands on a Wagyu flat iron steak. I've actually never eaten flat iron before, so of course I've gone top of the line and grabbed a Wagyu. So this is going to be a first for me. Let's see how it cooks, let's see how it tastes, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Off the bat, thank you to F Conisbee Son for this lovely piece of flat iron Wagyu, or Wagyu flat iron. Let's have a little look at the marbling on this. Have a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I'm no expert, and this obviously isn't Japanese A5 Wagyu, but wow, this looks amazing. And we're just going to treat it pretty basically, actually. I don't want to overcomplicate it. I want to taste that meat. I've got here some hickory smoked salt. Now, I smoke this myself. I use sea salt and I put it in the Traeger and I smoke it at a really low temperature because I'm going to be cooking it today, or should I say this evening, on the gas barbecue, the Weber. And it doesn't obviously give the same smokiness that the big green egg will. So I want to give this a nice smoky taste, and I know that this salt works really, really well. I use it quite a lot and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So I've got the Weber preheated to 200 degrees. Let's get it on. And we're going to use the sear station. This Weber, it's quite an old one. I don't know if they still do these, but it's got a sear station in the middle here, 3 burners at once. That's going to go on there. And I'm going to give this, I don't know, because I've never cooked it before. I've never tried it. Maybe 2 minutes aside, I reckon. It's high heat. Let's see how we get on. Okay, that's had its 2 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. I'm going to give that another 2 minutes on that side. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Okay, I've actually given this 3 minutes on this side because the temperature was reading a little bit low, and I want it at about 57 for medium rare because I know it's going to cook a little bit longer. We're sitting at, I don't know if you can see that, 57. So I'm going to pull that now. Let's get it into our dish here. Okay, so we want to rest this now. I'm going to rest this for a good 8 to 10 minutes. Just put some foil over it in that dish and let it do its thing. I know that temperature is going to rise a little bit, but I want this to be perfect. Never tried it before. Okay, so change of scenery. We've had a bit of a nightmare here. I turned on the outdoor lights. There must have been water got in there after all the rain we've had, and all of the electrics went out. Well, all of the plugs, and it was getting dark outside anyway. So I've come inside. Here is our lovely steak. Let's cut into it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, wow. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh, cannot wait to give this a go. Let's cut off a nice little slice there. And that is going to be my treat. Oh, wow. I've never had it before, but by God, is that amazing. That's probably the best steak I've ever had. And that's saying something. I've had a few. I'd liken it to chitty chitty bang bang. It's truly scrumptious. Guys, if you can pick yourself up one of these, definitely do so. Wow, that is absolutely delightful. So in answer to my first question, is it worth the hype? Absolutely it is. Really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please do also like, share and comment. This coming Friday, you've got another recipe coming, which is a beef curry with a crispy potato topping tray bake. I'll put all of the details of today's Wagyu steak down below in the details. Not that there's a lot of details to give, but I'll definitely give F Conisbee's a shout in there because that meat is something else. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.